Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the raw data and immediately normalizing it. First, select the phone column and press Ctrl+1 to set format cells. Choose text or a custom mask like 00000000000 so numbers don't auto-format. Once done, run cleaning formulas =trim, clean, A2 to strip extra spaces and hidden characters. Make sure to convert pasted values to text before further steps, because Excel's automatic conversions are the usual cause of phone errors. Next, you normalize the characters and enforce a consistent pattern. Use a formula or power query to strip everything except digits. This prevents accidental pluses or letters from breaking validation. Then apply a rule to prepend a country code or drop leading zeros depending on your scheme. For example, add +1 for US numbers. Once normalized, use text or custom format like 000-000-0000 to present numbers uniformly. This ensures functions and exports treat entries predictably. Finally, validate and resolve remaining issues so your sheet is reliable. Check LEN to ensure correct digit counts and highlight rows that deviate. Use isNumber or value to confirm numeric content. If a cell fails, trace the transformation steps and reapply the cleaning pipeline. Sometimes a hidden character sneaks back in. If problems continue, import the column into Power Query, repeat cleaning and formatting there, then load back. Quick tip: if validation still fails, export a failing cell to Notepad to reveal hidden characters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.